Well, Brent, 14 people in total were taken for evaluation. 13 of them were cleared and are completely okay, but one person is in critical condition and was actually transported to a hospital in the Bronx for more specialized care. Now, this all started due to a propane-powered saw being used in the building behind me.
The fire department and AMR were dispatched to in front of this location for an unconscious male.
8 a.m. Wednesday, New Haven Fire responding to this building. Officials quickly learning the unconscious man was suffering from carbon monoxide poisoning.
The fire department and AMR came back to the location, discovered there was construction going on the first floor. We had high levels at the door. We evacuated the building.
The source, a propane-powered saw.
We have meters that read CO in parts per million. So we had about 50 at the door, and then through the inside of the building, we had approximately upwards of 400 parts per million.
To put that in perspective, fire officials deem a building unsafe when carbon monoxide levels rise above 9 parts per million.
With those high levels, low level exposure, you're going to start to get a headache, nausea, dizziness.
13 people were taken to local emergency rooms for evaluation, and they are expected to recover. One person in critical condition was taken to a hospital in the Bronx for a bariatric chamber treatment.
It's a common thing in the winter times, especially with home heating and alternate uses of heating. So, we stress for everyone to have a CO detector in their house, make sure it's operating, purchase a new one if you can. They have 10-year life batteries in them now, so they're very reliable.
Fire officials tell me it took them about an hour to clear and ventilate this building back here earlier this morning. Now, because this is a construction site and those who were treated are workers, OSHA is now involved and is currently investigating the cause of the leak. They say they'll submit a report back to the New Haven Fire Department when they are done. Reporting live in New Haven, Emma Wolforst, Fox 61, Connecticut's news station.